Sara Netanyahu, the wife of Israel's prime minister, has been formally notified that she is facing potential criminal charges for allegedly diverting tens of thousands of dollars of state money to use for private expenses. The Attorney General, Avichai Mandelblit, was considering prosecuting Benjamin Netanyahu's wife for offenses that include fraudulently procuring items, fraud, and breach of trust, according to a Justice Ministry statement. Mandelblit, appointed by the Prime Minister, informed Sara Netanyahu on Friday that after he had examined the evidence in the case, and after hearing the positions of all the relevant authorities, he had taken the decision to move forward. Sara Netanyahu will be given a last opportunity to present her side of a case at an indictment hearing, an unusual step for a person who is not a public official. Benjamin Netanyahu is also under pressure as a result of a series of overlapping corruption investigations which have gained pace in recent weeks. The allegations against Sara Netanyahu have been under investigation for more than 2 years, since Joseph Shapira, the state comptroller, issued a report on spending at the Netanyahu's official residence. Sara Netanyahu is suspected of excessive and unauthorized expenditure at the Prime Minister's official residence in Jerusalem, notably engaging a private chef at state expense for meals claimed as official functions and then concealing that she did so. Both Netanyahus deny the allegations. The Prime Minister, who is out of the country for an official visit, denounced the legal process against his wife, writing on his Facebook page that the claims are absurd and will be proven to be baseless. He said, quote, "Sara Netanyahu is a brave and honest woman and has never done anything wrong. Alongside her work as an expert educational psychologist treating children every week, she spends a lot of time helping children with cancer, Holocaust survivors, and lone soldiers." In the most high-profile civil case, the Netanyahu's former chef caretaker, Meni Naftali, successfully sued her for wrongful dismissal, alleging abusive and erratic behavior. Particularly damaging was Naftali's allegation to an employment court that Sara Netanyahu was often drunk, polishing off up to 3 bottles of champagne a day, a claim denied by the Netanyahus. For their part, the Netanyahus have tried to blame Naftali for overspending. Benjamin Netanyahu has denounced his former caretaker in recent speeches and on Facebook, writing, quote, "The sharp increase in spending at the Prime Minister's residence was caused by offenses committed by the problematic chief caretaker, Meni Naftali, a criminal state's witness, and a serial liar. The average monthly spending on ordered meals while he worked there was 5 times the monthly average during the 4 years that followed, when Naftali did not work there." Over the years, Naftali has described alleged temper tantrums, abuse, and unreasonable demands by Sara Netanyahu. And faced with the counter-accusations, Naftali said, quote, "Everything she wanted to buy, she asked for, and you had to bring it to her," end quote. Naftali also pointed out that all spending had to be signed off by the director of the household and not him. Well, and what is interesting here is that Naftali said that there were different budget caps for entertaining different people. This has been Me, the People Perspectives. Break this news.